simple and easy way to find hidden apps on iPhone. Maybe you have some apps on your iPhone and the apps are not on the home screen. You scroll through or you search through all the apps on your home screen and you're unable to get that particular apps you are searching for. But you are very sure that you have the apps on your device. Then what you need to do is to just look at this hidden place on your iPhone under the app library and have access to the hidden apps on your device. So scroll all the way to the back, keep scrolling until you get to this place called app library. So Apple make this simple and group apps on your device according to their functions. So scroll up to the base where you see hidden, tap on the hidden button. This place require a face ID. Provide your face ID and it comes out like this. Now you have access to the hidden apps on your device. Now if you want to move these apps to the home screen again, just tap and hold for a few seconds. You have a lot of options here. Don't require face ID, share apps, then tap on add to home screen. Then you can see that this app will be visible again on your iPhone home screen. Then tap on hide app. Then that app will be visible again on your home screen. So let's locate and get this app on our home screen. Here is the apps on our home screen. This is a simple process or simple way on how to find hidden apps on iPhone. If you get this tip of not subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to share and drop your comment in the comment section.